it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something that should have been done months ago. However, I just haven't had the time to record it, so that's why I'm doing it today. And I knew that I definitely wanted to record myself doing it, and that is unboxing this. And I have it turned this way so you can't see my address. But this is my package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And if for some reason you did not read the title of today's video, this is unboxing his newest Alien palette. I was so excited to see this palette when he first announced it. It is probably, from the pictures, my favorite one that he's come out with so far. Currently, I have the Thirsty palette and the Blood Sugar palette, and I am in love with both of those. But I feel like the colors to the Alien palette here really speak to me, and I feel like they are colors that I typically use on a regular basis whenever I do my makeup, that is. Whereas for like the Blood Sugar palette, for example, it's mostly reds, and I tend to stick to cool colors or like purples and stuff like that. So I feel like this palette was definitely a good fit for me. Now this is what is inside. One thing I love is how he customizes everything, like the tissue paper. It's green and it even has these little alien heads on. I just think that is so cool. And as usual, everything is packaged very nicely so that there should be no accidents during transit. And my first thought for this packaging is it looks very nice, and the alien letters here have, I don't know what it's called, but it's when they bubble out a little bit more than everything else. And in some of the stars there are like little silver ones that stand out more. Alright, so the moment of truth. Wow. So this is pretty big, and it's kind of heavy too. The little eyes on the alien bubble out. If you can see it, I don't know. So let's open it up and look at what's inside, because I've been waiting for months to do this. Wow. This one does not have one of those mirror films. I think when I opened the Blood Sugar palette, that didn't have a film either for some reason. So this doesn't come with one of those films over the mirror. And I don't think you can see it on the camera. Actually, yep, right there. That little square, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. I don't know how that happens, but it's from the little pans down here. I'm sure if I just clean it, it'll come off, and that's all fine and dandy. It looks like one shadow had an accident. I got some on my finger here. That wipes away and everything is fine. Other than that, this folds down so you can hold it like this. These colors are so beautiful. I am absolutely in love with this one and this one. And that one too. And surprisingly that one. I don't really like the color green, but I love that color. And this one down here is stunning. It has like a bluish green glitter to it. I don't know. Okay. Enough of me jabbing on about this. I am in love with it so far. Of course, on the back he has all of his usual stuff. Where? Okay, the ingredients and everything are on here, if you care about that. I don't care. So I am going to try to come up with an original eyeshadow look for this. So I am going to stop the video. I'm going to do my foundation, and when I come back I am going to have all my foundation on and I'm going to be ready to do some eyeshadow. Going into this, I have no idea what I want to do, and I feel like that's going to be a recipe for disaster, but there's nothing I can do about it right now, so pray for me. So the first color that I'm going to start out with is this one, and it is called Titan. Using a fluffy brush, I am going to put that all over my lid. So this seems to have a lot of fallout, so just watch when I do this. I tap it a couple times. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like a lot of powder sitting on it. That doesn't usually happen, so I don't know. This color seems to be a very nude, which is perfect as like a base. Next, I am going to use this color, and it is called Gravity. Maybe I'm just being too rough with it, I'm not sure. I'm going to put this in my crease, and I'm also going to bring it down onto my lid. As usual, his eyeshadows are very pigmented. I forgot to top this brush off, and I just put so much on my lid that for a second there's so many colors that I want to use, and I'm afraid I'm going to make this look terrible because I'm going to try to use too much. Alright, now with a clean brush, I am going to take this purple color here called Area 51, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Either I don't know how to put makeup on anymore, or this isn't working for me. It doesn't look that bad now, but I feel like it was really difficult to put on. Now, going above this in the crease, I am going to use this one called Tall Gray. And I'm going to try and use this to soften the top of this purple because I feel like it's really harsh and it looks kind of funny. Now I am going to attempt to take this color here called Probe. This is the one that like it has like a metallic look to it, and I'm going to try to put this over top of the purple because I feel like if that works, it's gonna look really nice. Have a little bit more fallout to sweep away. Now I'm also going to take that purple color again, and I'm going to put it underneath my lash line. And I'm using the same brush that I just used to put this metallic-y color on my lid. Alright, now I am going to use this color here called Pluto, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and on the inner corner. This probably has to be my favorite color so far. This color is beautiful. Okay, so I'm using my finger to get into this one here, Probe, and that goes on so much better when you use your finger instead of a brush, so I kind of feel dumb, but at least we have figured this out now. Yeah, so I would say with all of these metallic colors that are in the palette here, I would say use your finger for them because this looks a million times better. Stunning. Now before I go too crazy and ruin what I have going on here, I am going to put away the palette for now, and I am going to clean all this up a little bit. I'm going to add mascara, lashes, fix my brows a little bit, put on some lipstick, and then I will be done. I am going to speed this up, but as usual, all the products that I use will be listed in the description box for you. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed, and my natural light source is disappearing right now, so I will take some pictures so that you guys can see how this looks a little bit better. I am in love with it now that I'm done. For a second there, I was worried that it was going to go south just with how the purple color was because it just didn't seem to work, but putting Probe over top of it and using my finger to do that just made it look so much better, and I'm really in love with this. This is a very dramatic look, but it is definitely very fun and playful, and I'm really in love with his palette here. It's probably my new favorite now. So this whole look altogether is not wearable. However, I don't care because it will look fabulous for pictures, which are coming up right now. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you never miss a video with me. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment down below what your favorite part was or what your favorite eyeshadow color is from this palette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!